Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation is an application program designed by Microsoft. It is a presentation tool which can be used by any person to create a presentation for office, college, school and business. Now, today we are going to learn how we can make PowerPoint presentations. So stay tuned and watch this video till end. First of all, PowerPoint presentation application can be started by clicking on the start button. There you have to search for PowerPoint. Then either you can press enter button or you can click on this open button to start the PowerPoint presentation. Now the PowerPoint will start a new window for you, and there is the first screen which will get appeared in front of you. So let us start the PowerPoint presentation. Now you can see this is the file menu of PowerPoint. Here are a few options to create either a new program, a new file, new presentation, or to open our previous saved files. Or you are seeing in the left side there are options available which you can see, like this is information about this PowerPoint. We can see that in this presentation this presentation is not saved yet, or the slides, the number of slides is 1, hidden slides are 0. So we have the next option, this is new. By clicking on this button we will be starting our new presentation. To design, how we can design, we will be discussing that later on. First of all, let us discuss about these a few options. After that, we are seeing that we have this new option. This new option enables us to open a previous saved file which has been already saved by us in this particular system. After that, we have save button and we have save as. These two are used, like for example, if we are saving our presentation, we have designed a new presentation and now we are going to save it. And the first time we will be clicking on save as. In save as button, it enables or it provides us those options by which we can select the particular location and we can choose a particular file extension for our file and we can save. Now for example, if we have saved our file, we have saved it on any particular location, then for example, if I will be doing more change in my presentation in the next day, then I have to first of all make this change. Then I will only click on save button and those changes will get saved in my presentation. After that, you are seeing the option is print. So this print, when we get a complete overview, complete presentation of us, we get it completed. So if we need any printout of our presentation, we have an option available for that also. After that, we have an option that is share. In this share button, we can click on it and we can share our presentation with our friends or colleagues or any other person who is in need of this presentation. After that, we have the export option in front of us. By clicking on this option, this export option, we can change our presentation. We can change its, like for example, if our presentation is saved in PPT format, it is file extension PPT or presentation. So for example, if we want to create a PDF of this particular presentation, for that we have to click on export. And after that, we have close button. For example, if we want to close this presentation, so we can directly click on it. After that, we have this account options and we have another more options. For now, we will be discussing on new file. For example, I have clicked on new. Here you can see that I have this is the particular window which appears in front of us when we click on new button. For now you are seeing that we have these file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, reviews, view. These all are called tabs, so we call them tabs. For now we will be discussing a little bit for about title bar, scroll bar and other quick access toolbars. For now the line which I have drawn till the line this cross, this particular area, this section is called title bar. Note down two things which are most important in this title bar. One is file name and another one is program name. So you are seeing here this is the PowerPoint, so this is the program name, and the first one is here, it is presentation 1. It is the default name for our new file in PowerPoint. So we have this presentation 1. So there are two important things which are available in Microsoft PowerPoint. First one is file name and another one is program name, and we have these three buttons here. This is called minimize. For example, if I want to minimize this particular window, if I want to work something else in my computer, so for that I will temporarily minimize this window and it will get shifted from this particular area to taskbar. This area is called taskbar, which is here. This area is called taskbar. The name of it is taskbar. So we have two more bars. This is called scroll bar. We can scroll our PowerPoint presentation from here, this area. So this is vertical scroll bar, and we have here this is horizontal scroll bar. We can scroll our presentation from these two things. After that we are seeing that this particular area, the white area which appears behind these commands, these commands is called a ribbon. This area is called ribbon. Every tab, for example, if I will be clicking on insert tab, the new ribbon of insert tab will get appeared in front of us. For example, you are seeing this PowerPoint has a number of tabs available, and in every tab the commands have been divided into particular sections. This is a section. You are seeing that here is also another section, here is another section, here we have one more section, here we have another section, here we have one more section. So the name of this section is clipboard, the name of this section is slides, here we have font, here is paragraph, here we have drawing, and here we have editings. So for first of all we will be discussing only about the number of tabs available and the number of commands, and in next video we will be learning how we can use these commands to make our presentation beautiful, to make our presentation more clear. So for now we will be shifting to insert tab. This is the second tab. You are seeing that this tab has been also divided into a number of sections, and the name of these sections has been given in the lower side of this particular section. For example, this is the name of this section is image. Why is the name of this section image? Because the commands which are available here, pictures, online pictures, screenshot, photo album, these four commands are only related to pictures. That's why, for example, if we need to insert an image in our presentation, for that we have to go in this particular section and we have to click on picture. For example, if I want to take a screenshot of my particular window, for that I have to go in image section and I have to click on screenshot. For example, if I want any more work with my image, for that I have a particular section of that. After that, like you are seeing here, we have another section. The name of this section is text. So here we can do only those functions, we can work with only those commands which are related to text. For first, you can see the text box. If I want to insert a text box, if I want to add word art, if I want to add header and footer file, we will be discussing more about it in our later videos, in our more videos. For now this is a brief introduction about PowerPoint in this video. So after that we have the design tab. In this design tab we have themes, so we can design, we can make our presentation more attractive. So we have variants, we have customized, so these are more functions available in Microsoft PowerPoint to make our presentation more attractive. After that we have transitions, so we will be learning here also the transitions, where we can use these transitions here. By clicking on this point we can get more transitions available in our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here we have the timings. For example, when we want to change our slide, for example, from one slide to another slide, for that we can record the timing here. Or for example, if we want to change our slide by clicking on mouse, for that we have option here, we can enable or disable it from here. After that we have animations, so we will be learning also where we can use these animations. We have another set of, for example, another section of timings available here. We have, for example, we have preview option here available here. We will be learning all about these sections and these commands. After that, our new tab, the name of this tab is slideshow. For example, here is we can play our presentation from beginning or from current slide. So we have the number of options we will be learning. We will be discussing all about these things in our more videos. For example, after that we have review tab. In this review tab we can review our presentation. For example, if we have made a presentation and there is a spelling mistake or there is a grammatical error, or for example, if we want to if we are using same word many times, we want to find the synonyms of that particular word. For that we have treasures available over here. We have, for example, if we want to translate our presentation into a different language, we have also option for that. For example, we have commands section here, so it is a comment section here. So in over here we can add a new comment. For example, if I am reviewing the presentation of my students, for now I will add a comment, here is a mistake, please correct it. So the student will get to it and he will clear that particular mistake, or he will resolve that. After that we have view tab. In this, the view of presentations is available. For example, we have normal view, outline view. We will be discussing in more videos about all this. So I think this is all for today, and we will be discussing more about PowerPoint. Thank you.